Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the most exciting and honest reviews from the world of wheels. Today, we're diving into the luxurious, powerful, and truly one-of-a-kind 2025 GMC Savana van. If you're into spacious rides and road trip-ready comfort, this one is going to blow your mind. The GMC Savana van isn't just your average van. It's a road-dominating V8-powered machine built to carry people and cargo with style and confidence. GMC took a trusted commercial platform and turned it into a smart, comfortable travel companion. Let's start with the exterior. It has a clean, boxy look that's functional yet timeless. The updated LED headlights, bold grille, and smooth body lines give it a modern feel while keeping that rugged work van DNA. Under the hood, it's powered by a 6.6-liter V8 engine, delivering strong horsepower and torque for everything from highway cruising to towing trailers or equipment. Whether you're hauling gear for an adventure or traveling cross-country, the Savana gets the job done without breaking a sweat. Step inside, and it's surprisingly refined. The interior of the GMC Savana van offers upgraded comfort and practicality. Think premium seating, plenty of legroom, smart storage spaces, and a modern infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. Optional features include swivel captain's chairs, a fold-out bed, and even a mini kitchenette for those van life enthusiasts. This van may not be as massive as a motorhome, but it's ideal for weekend warriors, mobile professionals, or small families. GMC has designed it with customization in mind. Whether you want a camper build, a mobile office, or just a reliable people mover, it adapts to your lifestyle. On the road, the GMC Savana van handles smoothly for its size. It's stable, quiet, and offers solid visibility. Safety features like blind spot monitoring, rear parking sensors, and lane departure warning help keep you secure during long hauls or city driving. Price-wise, it's much more affordable than full-size RVs or high-end campers, yet it offers a great balance of power, space, and comfort. Plus, its proven reliability means you're investing in something that's built to last. So, is the 2025 GMC Savana van worth it? Definitely. It's versatile, tough, and ready to be anything you want it to be. Whether that's a road trip machine, a mobile office, or a weekend escape vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more in-depth reviews of the world's most fascinating rides. Got a vehicle you want us to cover next? Let us know down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.